Hello everyone, I'm Yu-Chien Yu. I'm originally from Taiwan and currently studying industrial engineering in professional master program at Purdue University. During my time at Purdue, I've experienced tremendous growth both personally and professionally. Before joining the PMP program, I often struggled to express my idea clearly. My presentation skill lacked confidence, and I did not have a strong presence when speaking in front of an audience. Additionally, I found it challenging to communicate effectively with clients. However, the PMP program has been a transformative experience for me. Through rigorous training, real-world projects, and continuous practice, I've learned how to articulate my thoughts with clarity and purpose. I've gained confidence in delivering presentations and developed the ability to engage with clients in a meaningful and professional manner. This growth did not happen overnight. It was the result of consistent efforts, constructive feedback, and the invaluable opportunities provided by Purdue to collaborate with peers and industry leaders such as Eaton, Thermo Fisher Scientific, and Apple. Each project pushed me out of my comfort zone, allowing me to refine my skills and build up my confidence step by step. At Eaton, I led a team in designing a future state layout to streamline production planning and drive tangible cost reduction through strategic decision-making and inventory optimization. We implemented a multi-bin combined replenishment system, worked on skill reduction, and improved production planning. At Thermo Fisher Scientific, I delved into Six Sigma methodologies and statistical analysis to optimize production processes. We significantly reduced errors and enhanced operational visibility by introducing digital dashboard and standardizing workflows. These projects gave me a profound understanding of how analytics and process optimization can drive operational excellence. This semester with Apple has marked a significant leap in my industry experience. Instead of collaborating with engineers on manufacturing projects, I've been involved in strategic planning within Apple's supply chain. I have analyzed supply chain data, identified potential risks, and integrate those risks into Apple's system to mitigate vulnerability effectively. Through this project, I have cultivated diverse skills that will significantly enhance my future career. From mastering DMAIC methodology and Lean Six Sigma strategies to effectively engage with clients and delivering impactful presentation. The unique experience offered by Purdue and the PMP program has provided me with unparalleled opportunities for growth and development. I sincerely thank Dr. Ban Feng for his invaluable guidance and mentorship, which have played a pivotal role in shaping my academic journey. His commitment to excellence has consistently motivated me to strive for greater achievements and confidently face new challenges. I also sincerely appreciate all the faculty and staff in the School of Industrial Engineering for the steadfast dedication to fostering innovation, collaboration, and growth. As I embark on the next chapter of my career as a solution design engineer at Amazon Robotics, I will carry the lessons, skills, and values cultivated at Purdue. I'm excited to apply the knowledge and experience gained here to drive meaningful change and make lasting impacts in the industry. Whirler up.